Hello children, how are you all? Today we have shared some links through WhatsApp. So these links are related to the basics before going to the next class. The first link is about foundation stage. It is for grades 1 and 2. Second link is about preparatory stage. It is for grades 3 to 5. Third link is about middle stage. It is for grades 6 to 8. And the last one, secondary stage. It is for grades 9 and 10. So related to your class, you can just click on the link. Day 1, learn numbers easily for kids, foundation stage. Like that message will come. So day 1, the magic of numbers. From here it will start. So first one, what is the concept? What are numbers? Next, second point, it's some examples we have given. Third point, how it will be helpful in real life, that we have given. Fourth one, for home practice, some fun tasks we have given. And the fifth one, after getting prepared of all, we have given a practice test. You can just read the question and attempt the answer here itself. How many wheels does an auto rickshaw have? So 3 wheels. How many fingers do you have on one hand? So like that, go through the question and attempt the answer. Finally, you can submit. If you attempt all the answers, then only you can submit. So I have attempted only one here. Let me attempt any answer, any random answer. Like that. If I attempt all the answers, then if I click on submit, immediately whether my answer is right or wrong, that information will get displayed and solution will come. At the bottom, my score also will be displayed. I got 1 out of 10 because randomly I have kept the answers without reading question. So like this, you can practice the exam. So first go through the content, go through the example, know what is its importance in daily life. Then you can attempt the online test. If you want, you can attempt the home practice tasks also. But remember one thing, our brain do not remember what we read. It will remember what we recall. Just by reading this, you can't remember anything. Close the link, open your rub book or any notebook. After reading all the content, what all you have remembered, please note down in the book. So then open the link, check whether you are correct or not, find out your mistakes. So like that, you can train your brain. So simply by reading, you can't remember anything. Okay children, like this, during this summer vacations, we will be sending some links. So whenever you are free, try to attempt the links, try to attempt the practice test and try to write down whatever you remember. Okay children, have a good day.